Do you want to work remotely and travel full time? This is one way that you can do that out of the thousands of ways that it's possible. The reason I'm talking about this particular way is because I've done this and I know it works. The way that I did it was through Google Ads and running those for clients. £2,000 a month in your bank as personal income means you probably need 2,500 in your business account. The extra 500 a month goes on things like tax and expenses. You got to pay the tax man. You can then get this £2,500. It doesn't matter how you split this with the clients, but the more clients you have, the more work you've got. I found a sweet spot is £500 a month per client as a retainer. So for £2,500, that's 5 clients. You can easily service 5 clients in a month and do a very good job for them. The spend, you probably want to charge 10% of their media spend. So you need them spending about £5,000 a month in Google Ads for it to be worth it for them to pay you 500. That's an easy sell for a client. Okay, I'll give you £500 if we're spending 5,000. I wouldn't worry about picking a niche at the start. You're going to have to call a lot of people. If you want to get 5 clients, the reality is you're probably going to have to cold call. Cold calling, if you don't like it, learn to love it, because it is a way that you can travel full time. Okay, the maths on this is probably 0.1% of people that you call will end up being a client. So if you need 5 clients, you're going to need to call 5,000 people. If you can sit down and you can call 100 people per day, this will take you a month and a half. I don't think a month and a half of calling 100 people a day is that much time investment to be able to travel full time. By about the thousandth call, you should be getting pretty good, and it will probably take you less than 1,000 calls to get a client. Okay, but just set yourself the goal. I'm going to call 100 people a day for 50 days. I'm going to get these 5 clients, £500 a month retainer. If you haven't ever run Google Ads before, go on YouTube, learn how to run the Google Ads. There are loads of people teaching this. Go and learn, run some for yourself, or just go and find someone and say, I will run this for free. Get a result, get a case study, and then when you call these people, you can say, I've done this for this person, here you go, will you pay me to do this? And it's a numbers game. You just keep calling, you keep picking up the phone, you call another person, no, another person, no, another person, no, another person, oh yeah, I'll sit down and have a meeting. Then in all likelihood, you're probably going to get burned in 9 out of 10 sales meetings that you do, especially at the start. So you just keep calling, you keep calling, you keep calling. 5,000 cold calls, you'll be at £2,500 revenue a month, which is £2,000 take home. Running 5 clients on Google Ads doesn't require hectic business systems to set up. It doesn't require boatloads of software. You probably want to spend 60 quid on a software called SEMrush for keyword research. You want a software like Xero and a tied bank account, and that's all you want. That's all you need. 2,500, 2,000 take home, 500 for tax and expenses, 5,000 cold calls. It's worked for me, it will work for you.